If you're looking to change the language on Netflix while you're on your watching on your TV, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you the updated steps to just do that. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is turned on and open the Netflix app. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log into your Netflix account. Choose a movie or TV show that you want to watch. You need to be in playback mode to change the language settings. While the content is playing, press the down arrow on your remote to bring up the Playback Options menu. Then select the Audio and Subtitles option. In the Audio and Subtitles menu, you'll see options for audio tracks and subtitles. To change the language, select the desired language from the audio section. If you also want to change subtitle language, you can do that here as well. Now choose your preferred language and the audio should switch to that language immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Netflix while watching on your TV. If you have any issues or need further assistance, make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.